Should you install antivirus and firewall protection on your Windows 11 laptop? Hello and welcome back to my channel Computer and Internet Do's and Don'ts. Today I want to discuss antivirus and firewall protection for your Windows 11 PC. As you may know, both Windows 10 and Windows 11 come with built-in antivirus software and firewall protection. It is called Windows Defender. While earlier versions of Windows Defender offered only basic protection against online threats, the current versions offers much protection and more features. So basically there is no need to install more firewall and antivirus software, as Windows Defender will adequately protect your PC. However, there is a catch. Windows Defender is meant to protect Microsoft products. For example, it is meant to protect your Edge browser. If you choose to use another browser such as Firefox or Chrome, you will not receive the same protection. The same thing with other third-party apps like LibreOffice and Zoom. However, browsers like Chrome and Firefox come with their own security protection built in. Also in Chrome you can add extensions that add even more protection. Like I mentioned before, Windows Defender now comes with even more features that add to your protection. Several of the other features found in paid antivirus products are also available for free in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Parental controls can be activated in the Family Options section of the Windows Security dashboard, and there's a password manager hidden in the company's Microsoft Edge browser that will sync your passwords with the Microsoft Authenticator app for Android and iOS. Meanwhile, an Edge feature called Smart Screen can block known malicious websites and downloads. So you don't really need to add third-party antivirus and firewall protection for your laptop. Though if you add apps and use browsers that are not from Microsoft, you may want to add additional antivirus and firewall protection. You can view your built-in antivirus and firewall protection by typing in Windows Security in the Windows search box. You can see just your antivirus protection by typing in antivirus in the Windows search box. To view your firewall status, type in firewall. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more computer and internet related videos.